Hey, and hello, everyone. My name is Lisa Knox. I am the owner and founder of Knox Law and Mediation, PLLC. I am the L, the M, and the Knox of Knox Law and Mediation. I am reaching out to you all today just to drop a video. Happy New Year. You know, we've all made it through 2021. Now we're on to 2022. Let's see what the year can do for us, okay? So to that, hi, everyone. Whew. All right, y'all. So I have been hitting the ground running, and you know, I have to apologize to you. I shouldn't have waited so long, but I needed to get back to you all. I was coming right back. I needed to get back to you all to talk about the interesting topics that come up, you know, while I'm representing my clients and experiencing and having the privilege of participating in these family law cases here in the Tampa Bay area. But today I wanted to, you know, drop some information, drop some jewels, some gems of wisdom, if I may. Now, we all remember the deal. I'm not giving you any legal advice, so don't take this video as legal advice. If you need legal advice, you can feel free to consult with a licensed attorney in your area. Okay. Also, understanding that this is not an advertisement. I'm just giving out information, sharing information with my community. Okay. So I don't want you all to think that I'm advertising. Okay. All right. So let's get into today's topic. And today's topic, I want to talk about something that I've been hearing a lot of lately. And that is, you know, why should I hire an attorney? Like point blank. And I guess people feel really comfortable with me because they ask the overall questions, right? So it's like, why should I even hire an attorney? Because, you know, I have this thought or this belief, or a lot of times it's because I just don't, you know, I don't have the money or I don't want to pay the money for an attorney. And so I appreciate people being honest with me, but I always like to be honest, and I'm going to be candid with you all. So I'm going to tell you all, you know, and share some of the information with you all that I would typically share with someone. Understanding that you never have to have an attorney, like ever. It's your right to say, I don't want an attorney. Like, even if you are given an attorney, you know, an attorney's appointed to your case to represent you. If it's like a criminal case or a dependency case, you can decline and say, no, I don't want that. I doubt it will be in your best interest. But we have people all the time who say, hey, you know, I want to represent myself for whatever reason. You'd be surprised at how many people, it's not about the money. It's about, you know, ego, like, oh, I've always been smart. There's no one smarter than me. And people really believe this, right? Like, oh, it's ego. Or sometimes it's about money, but it's not, hey, I don't have the money. It's, I don't have the money to spend there. Like, I don't want to spend money on an attorney, you know, whether it feels like they can do the same thing because they have, you know, I guess there's these companies that do online templates, or whether it's because they feel like, you know, once again, they're smart, their ego, or whether it's just because they feel like, you know, I don't want to, you know, I don't want to fight anything out. We get that all the time. So let's go over it. Here I am. I'm giving you all the top 5, count on the top 5 reasons you need to have an attorney. And I'm going to be checking my list and checking it twice, like I don't know, like a divorce lawyer Santa. Okay. So reason number 1 that, you know, I would not recommend or encourage you to go about your case without an attorney to represent yourself. You're too emotionally involved. You're emotionally involved, right? And I don't care what kind of case it is. If it's a criminal case, you're emotionally involved. If you mess it up, you're going to be either fined at the least, or you're going to jail, or you're going to prison, you know? So there's that. You're too emotionally involved. If it's a family law case, imagine it's about, you know, your family. It's about this person you tried to make a family with. It's about your kids. It's about your property. You're going to be emotional about this. Now, understand that all of these